Hey data analysts. So now we are moving towards some advanced graphs in which we will find the interrelation between two of the columns in our dataset. In our dataset, we had two of the columns, occupation and gender. So I am here working with that two columns. What is this? Hue is equal to gender. This argument, this will make that column occupation. This will be classified into both genders, male and female, and it will look like this. Here, there are two bars for each occupation. One bar is for female and the other bar is for male. And on the top right of the graph, you see the legends. These are known as legends. They are classifying that the blue bars are females and orange bars are males. So it is visible in this graph that the females purchasing power is more than the even double of the males. So you see blue bars and the orange bar, it is not even the half or approximately half. In every sector, in every occupation, women are doing more shopping. Other than that, here, what if I didn't added this argument, which is hue gender? I will just remove this and what we will have, we will, okay, I didn't run the previous code, so I will have to run that first of all. You can in Jupyter Notebook, in this the environment I am working in, you can write, you can click on this button and restart and run all the cells. After clicking this, all cells will like automatically they will run. They will be running just okay. So here I removed that. Where is that code? That code is here. Here I have removed the hue element. See, the hue element is removed and we are having the previous graph. This graph we looked earlier as well. It is simply the occupation and the sales. Healthcare are these almost 1400 and IT sector almost 1600, but it isn't classifying each gender. So for that, we can add this hue. After that, here is the graph, and you can play around with its size by this. And I was like, this is comment, and now this is the part of code. You just have to add a hashtag to let the computer know it's comment. And if there's no hashtag, it will be considered as a line of code. When we run this, we are having this graph.